Hey guys, and welcome back to TechForce. So today we'll be taking a look at the RHA TrueConnect 2 earbuds. For 130 quid, these compete with AirPods as well as the LG Tone 3 earbuds we took a look at a while back. So let's see how they actually compare. Okay, now let's kick off with briefly taking a look at what we get inside the box. So we get the earbuds themselves, which come inside the charging case. We also get a USB-C charging cable, which is nice. Then we get the manuals, and finally, the thing which blew me away the most was the fact that they've provided 6 pairs of spare ear tips, which is incredible and, to be honest, a little bit over the top because, well, who needs that many spare ear tips? And, well, they have provided 2 pairs of each size, which isn't necessary in my opinion, and they could have really saved on their costs if they only supplied 1 pair for each size, so 3 pairs of extra ear tips altogether. And, well, there isn't actually any difference between the 2 pairs supplied for each size. They're exactly the same. If they had a rubber and foam version, it would make sense to supply all of these different ear tips, but they've only supplied rubber ones, which I don't think is necessary. Now, aside from that, the overall sound quality of these earbuds is pretty good. When compared to the AirPods and LG Tone 3 earbuds, I would say that in terms of sound, they are around the same level as AirPods, which is pretty decent. But then they aren't quite as good as the LG Tone 3 earbuds I reviewed a little while ago. Although they are still able to produce very crisp, clear sound, which I thought was very good. Apart from the sound quality, let's take a look at another extremely important category, the design. So these earbuds aren't exactly unique in terms of their design, but the charging case certainly is. The charging case, although it's bigger and more bulkier than other charging cases out there, it feels so much more premium and solid compared to the competition. The way it opens is also very unique and, well, quite cool. It rigidly closes using the magnets, which is always nice to see, and this just makes the product seem so much better for some reason. Aside from this, the matte black colour and smooth rubber texture feels so nice, and is just so much better than the glossy design of AirPods. Personally, I feel the major issues this product has in terms of the design is the bulkiness of the charging case, which just means it isn't very portable, and this obviously isn't a huge issue, but it's something to consider. Now, aside from the actual design of the charging case and the earbuds, let's talk about the actual level of comfort. So these earbuds aren't the most comfortable, they aren't as comfortable as AirPods or the LG Tone 3 earbuds, but they are still fairly comfortable when compared to, for example, the Cambridge Melomania ones I reviewed a little while ago. They do have a similar design to AirPods, but then near the top where the earbud goes inside your ears, it's a bit chunkier, which means that they don't slide into your ears perfectly, but they do fit well enough to not fall out after a light jog, which I think isn't too bad, but could obviously be improved. Okay, now next we will take a look at the battery life. So the RHA TrueConnect 2 earbuds actually have a 44-hour battery life, which is slightly higher than competitors, but only by a couple of hours or so. So it isn't a massive difference, but I suppose it is a nice little edge these earbuds have. But personally, I do care more about the sound quality and comfort rather than just having a few more hours of battery life. Okay, now in terms of additional features, there is one main feature which really stands out, the waterproofing. So these earbuds are IP55 rated, which means they can actually be used when it's raining heavily, which I think is perfect and suited to all conditions you would wear them in. For example, going for a run or just, well, going outdoors really. Okay, so overall, the RHA TrueConnect 2 earbuds are certainly a high quality pair of earbuds, and they are a worthy competition against the likes of Apple and LG. So if you're looking for a pair of earbuds for £130, why not check these ones out and maybe purchase them by using the link in the description below. And whilst you're there, please subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.